Today we are going to review something super cool and I'm really excited about this one. These are jelly Rhinestones to be able to bedazzle anything you want. You can see here there are many different colors. There are 40 colors that you can choose from and you can bedazzle pretty much anything, to be honest. I love to bedazzle stuff. I have my makeup bedazzle. I have some of my hair tools bedazzled too, so I'm so excited to start with this one. Besides having these really nice colors, you can see all the different colors here that you can choose from. Besides having all of this, you're also gonna find this little baggie in the box. It comes with 3 different jewelry glue. They dry super fast, so it's amazing when you're gonna be bedazzling stuff. It also comes with a white pencil if you wanna draw a line that you're gonna use as a guide to be able to put the rhinestones. And it also comes with tweezers, so it's easier to grab each rhinestone and put it wherever you want it. So you can see it comes ready to just start bedazzling things. Here we can see a little bit of the process, how we can use this kit. We put some of the glue on the surface of whatever we want to bedazzle. We grab the rhinestones with a tweezer and we just put the rhinestones on the glue on the surface that we selected. And this is how it's gonna look. Obviously, it's gonna look way better when I complete the whole thing. I just started with this hair tool, but my plan is to bedazzle everything. You can use it for nails, you can use it for hair tools or makeup or shoes or books. Honestly, you can use it on anything. And it's a really good price as well. So I think this is a perfect option if you like to bedazzle things or just have rhinestones on everything. This is a great option for you.